Okay, so Pakaloloo. Yo, Pakaloloo. Okay, we're gonna just go real easy here. Okay? Yeah. Look at Flint. This is secret bowl here. This is all secret bowl, but not secret bowl.
Let's go! Pakaloloo!
Okay, you guys go stand by the sign. And I'm gonna take a picture of you.
That looks easy!
Yeah, get steeper. You guys good?
That looks easy.
Are you good? Are you still good?
That's fine. This is easy.
Oh, the snow is so nice too.
Nice.
No, it's nice.
I don't think that's the next version.
Look, there's your mom.
And that was way worse.
Okay, you guys come down to me. That's the high entrance. That's the high entrance. Are you good, Luke?
Yeah.
Okay. You good to go down here?
Wait, that's my entrance?
Yeah, and you just kind of go that way.
Is it easy?
Well, you've got to put your game face on. You ready?
Yep.
Who's coming behind me?
Okay.
Yeah, Luke! Dude. Here. Dude. Hey, here.
Okay. High five.
You need to look at your phone.